That is good.
I was a doctor.
4 stars.
Okay.
4 stars.
That's a high rating. Just take it.
This guy loves pizza. If it's up to this guy, we eat pizza every day.
Fish is good today. It's a little dry,
Cause I forgot the fish. Shut the fuck up.
but it's good.
Oh shit, we can't
Are
swear.
they?
Beep. Yeah, man.
Why? Good mood.
In my food.
Right?
Don't fucking worry about it. All you've been gone. Downstairs is ready to go.
Hey, the fish might have bones, okay?
Just letting you know. You want to put the team in this afternoon?
Fresh fish. Fresh fish, my man, on the side. Here with my boy. Thank you, chef.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God. Smell that shit.
Portuguese French toast
On the fire, baby.
on the fire in the basement
On the job site.
on the job site. You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Man, gotta eat.
You gotta eat. You know, it looks like meat. It looks like some pork chop, but it's Portuguese French toast.
Excuse me. I gotta do that again.
Yeah, right over the food.
Sorry.
Bro, flip the bread, bro. Flip the bread. Wanna be cameraman. You know what? I'm gonna do it too. I'm gonna give it to you guys like this too. Flip it, no? Dessert, our dessert.
Sick, man.
You want me to take what's in that?
Man's gotta eat, bro.
Just waiting, we just
Sick,
waiting
bro. Who's at the end was, bro?
for the sugar.
It's addicting shit, bro.
Dessert. You see, we had lunch, now we're having dessert.
That's it.
Drive-by dessert.
Can you get the blue paper towel, so we have one for each of us?
It's on the freezer. Yeah.
It's gonna be cold after, it won't be
Yeah.
good. Go upstairs, serve it to the boys. 2.
Yo, Leo. Hot bread. There's 2. Thank you. You know what?
That's it.
Mine's still cold in the middle.
Hot?
In the middle.
The hottest part is there. Here.
It's okay.
Oh yeah. Yummy, mummy.